The Magic Water product line is a 100% natural, 100% pure, fragrance and preservative-free product that promotes cell regeneration and boosts natural skin physiology. Our skin goes through a lot every day. I mean, without us really knowing it, let's be honest. Climate change, pollution, and many other harmful factors like high UV impact. Behind me is the lab. This is where all the magic happens, so let's go inside. Our skin is suffering. It's dry, blemished, and simply not balanced out. This is when Magic Water steps in. It's 100% organic, non-toxic, free of all dirty chemicals, easily penetrates the skin, and protects the cell membrane protein. Our formulas have a balancing pH effect and won't give bacteria a chance to survive. Look what I got. Our product comes with plant extract and mineralized ionized water, aka Magic Water. This extract comes from plants that are growing in a high UV radiation and severe climatic environment. Therefore, it has developed protective molecules that help it survive. It's known to protect and make our skin look softer and more hydrated. Charged with negative ions, our product removes all dead skin, bacteria, and external particles that our skin undergoes every day. As you can see, everything here is perfectly clean. On the left-hand side, you can see our amazing folks filling up our bottles with product. And on the right, you can see where our product is being mixed.